Hello everyone, today we will be studying to enter, we will write a program in Java to enter two numbers from user, and we will do the modulus division over here. So you can see over here in Java I have written a program for this, that we want two number to be accepted by to be entered by the user. We will accept those two numbers and then we will do modulus division. So I have written the whole program over here. In this program we will see that how this operation gets performed. You can see I have used import java.io.asterisk. I have used the IO package, input output package, as we want the number to be entered by the user, and we will accept those two numbers, and then we will perform the following operation, modulus operation. So you can see I have named the class as class module over here because we are doing modulus. You can name any of your choice. And through this public static void main string args throws a exception, I have initialized the program. I have used throws a exception, and this input stream reader read new input stream reader system.in buffered reader ob new buffered reader read. This line I have used because we are using IO package, as we want the number to be entered by the user, and we will accept those number and we will perform the operation upon those numbers. So here let's come to the main part of the program, the operational part of the program. You can see I have initialized I have three integer variable type, num1, num2 and rem. In num1 we will accept the dividend part for the modulus division. In num2 we will accept the divisor part for the modulus division, and in rem we will store the value that will get the remainder value that will get that will come as result when we will divide modulus division. We will do modulus division of num1 and num2. So you can see over here I have used the system out println enter the dividend for modulus. So we have given the message to the user that user should enter the dividend for modulus division. And in num1 I have used integer.parseInt ob.readline. So we are accepting the first number as a dividend for the modulus in num1. In same way we have given the system out println enter the divisor for the modulus, as we are giving message to the user to enter a divisor that will be used for modulus division, and we will store this in num2 integer.parseInt ob.readline. We will store the same the divisor in num2, and here is the operational part. You can see over here rem equal to num1 module num2. So this is the operation part. Suppose, let me explain you the same. Suppose in num1 user has entered 11, and in num2 user has entered 2. So you can see over here rem equal to num1 module num2. Rem equal to, what is the value of num1 that user has entered? 11, and module 2, 11 module 2. So what will be the remainder? Rem will be 1. So this is the answer that will be displayed out over here, right? So suppose that user has entered let it be 17 as the first number, and let it be 5. So what will be rem? Rem will be equal to, not this, 17 module 5. What will be the remainder? 2. So this will be the answer over here. You can see system, I have used the code system out println remainder of the numbers rem. So this is how this program is getting executed. This is how this program works, and we will do this same program in computer, and we will see the practical that how it works. Alright, so as we have already discussed in the board how to write a program in Java to find modulus of two number, and we have to ask the user to enter two number. We will store those two numbers and then we will perform the calculation upon the number that has been entered by the user. So I have opened the BlueJ Java compiler. We will create a new class as module, as we want to find out the modulus. Okay, and so now we will delete all this. First of all, we will import the IO package. Import java.io.asterisk. Now we will name the class as module, public class module. Inside this curly bracket, we will write public static void main. So I have used public static void main string args. Now we'll be writing input stream reader read new input stream reader system.in buffer reader ob new buffer reader read, as we want the values to be entered by user. So I have written over here input stream reader read new input stream reader system.in buffer reader ob new buffer reader read. After this, we will initialize three integer variable. First one as num1 and num2. We will initialize the dividend for the module in num1 and divisor in num2, and we will divide both these numbers and we will store the remainder in rem. So the first number will be dividend will be stored over here, divisor will be stored over here, and in rem remainder will be stored. Now I'll ask the user to enter the number. I'll first ask the user to enter the dividend. We'll use system out println. Enter the dividend. So this is the message that will be given to the user. Now user will enter a number. and we will store that in num1. Integer.parseInt ob.readline. So here we have stored this. Now we will copy both these codes, as these codes are required again. We'll paste it over here, and we will change as we in the second time we want divisor, right? And this will be stored in num2. Now the main calculation part will be over here. We will store the answer in RAM equal to num1 module num2, and here the operation has been done. Now we will sort the output. Remainder of the number, numbers equal to it has been stored in RAM. So let's compile this. There is no syntax error. Now see the output. We will enter a number, let it be 17. This is the dividend. Now we will enter a divisor. We want to divide this 17 by 5. So what will be the remainder? It will be 2. Let's see. Yeah. So the remainder is 2. So this is how we write a program in Java to find the module of two number, and we want the user to enter those two numbers, and we perform the calculation upon the number that has been entered by user.